Hello everyone, this is Tara and I am back again with one more unboxing. How are you all? I hope you guys are having fun and we are towards the end of November. Very soon Christmas gonna arrive. We are already in the holiday season. Do let me know in the comment if you guys are taking any wish list purchase this Christmas or during this holiday season. So today I'm unboxing one handbag from a brand which is not very old. That is Manu Atelier. So let me give you a brief history about this brand. This brand was launched by two sister Besti and Marve in Istanbul in 2014, which is just a mere span of 10 years. This brand has really gained popularity all over the world because of its unique craftsmanship and very good quality leather. So even I got myself a handbag which is really becoming very popular called Lou Cambon. So I got myself in Lou Cambon size 35. The bag comes in many sizes, size 40, 35, then 25 and 20, and it comes in various leather, also suede and calf skin leather. Why this brand is getting so popular? Because the quality of leather they use are extremely good and is in fact better or equal to big brand like Louis Vuitton and Prada and Chanel. So yeah, and they founded this brand in 2014 to honor their father Adnan, so who is also a very loved and popular craftsman of leather in Turkey. So this is their family business, which now they have popularized in the world. So let's go ahead and see which bag I got from this beautiful brand called Manu Atelier. Lots of love to you, Bestie and Marvi, from my side, from India. So now we also got this brand launched in India under Galerie Lafayette. So Galerie Lafayette is one very popular luxury retail chain from France and which is all over France and Europe. Now we luckily have it launched in Mumbai, India. So under this Galerie Lafayette, they launched many brands, and one of such brands is Manu Atelier. So let's not waste any more time and let's go and do the unboxing. So yeah, I was aware of this brand through Instagram. This brand is making some wave. So I got it from Galerie Lafayette. So they have not given any box. They have given the Galerie Lafayette packet. So the bag is here. Okay, in the dust bag it says Manu Atelier, and yeah, and so let's go and see which bag I got. So tada, are you guys excited? So when I went to the Galerie Lafayette on the day got launched in Mumbai, so this is the brand which really caught my interest. Tada, here you go, you guys. This is Lou Cambon, their very popular style. I got it in suede. Mine is suede. You get it in calf skin also, but suede is becoming very popular, and the color is called dark brown. So my back color is called dark brown. So this is Lou Combo in the size 35, you guys. And let me show you what all is inside. So this is one magnetic closing closer and opening. So inside you have this velvety fabric inside. It's not cloth. Inside also the feel is good, and they have given detail about the bag, about the leather and everything, and the color is called dark brown. If you want to see this bag, so inside there is one zip compartment, and so the this bag gives you very Birkin vibe, but beautiful in itself. And this Manu Atelier is written in golden or gold. embossing, and this is Galerie Lafayette tag because I got it from Galerie Lafayette, and I paid 79,900, which is around 80,000 for this bag in India. So this bag has feet also. It is nicely packed because it's a new, so I have to remove this plastic from the feet. Yeah, you guys, I'm loving this bag. So this bag is not very structured. It's little slouchy, softly structured. The bag in on display looks deceiving. It looks structured, but when you remove the paper and everything from the bag, the black bag is soft structure. But I have no problem. When I'll fill it up, it'll look very good. So let's go and see what all fits inside this beautiful bag from Manu Atelier. So you guys, there is this button also in the side if you want to open and close, and if you want to if you want bigger size of this bag, then it can become very big, and you can the open and adjust this belt accordingly. But I don't want to do that. I'm liking my bag like this only. So this bag will fit a laptop for sure. uh, and rest, let me show you all what all fits. So here, this makeup pouch, okay, the makeup pouch gonna fit. So I have put a big makeup pouch. Here I have everything which I required, from blush on to foundation to everything I've kept in one pouch that fits. And let me put another pouch where you can keep your other essential if you need. This pouch will also fit very well, okay. And a big size perfume, so this is from YSL, will fit well. Now the bag is quite heavy. I think I have fit all my essential, and I can fit one sunglass also very easily, and I think I can fit two sunglasses, and I still have space. And the closure is magnetic, okay. And so after filling the bag looks structured, but this is a very beautiful bag. You can hold it like this, very nice to hold. And yeah, so I'll give you the review after using this bag for quite some time. Right now I'm enjoying my purchase, and do let me know in the comment if you guys have any queries related to this bag, and do let me know how you like my new purchase. And thank you so much for watching. Bye, y'all.